Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great day here in Georgia, and we've got something super special coming to the shop this morning. It's going to be an adventure. Excited to show you guys, so let's get it. Uh-oh, I think the truck has beat us here. It's officially 7:13, and I see something in the yard. And it's covered up. Looks like everybody's beat us here. Holy crap. So they actually brought in the forklift yesterday. Now, for those of you who've seen videos in the past, have probably seen the mess that we used to have in the shop. Don't get me wrong, we still got a mess. But we have cleaned so much out. The new machine is actually going back here. On this side, don't look over there. There's still a mess, but we got the new machine coming here. So let me get out here and see what we got going on with these guys, and I'll get you back up with you in a minute. Howdy, howdy.
How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
I'm all right. I'm late.
Hey, Chris, nice to meet you. Yeah, we, sorry I'm a little late. I was trying to get as quick as I could. But,
pays the same, it don't matter.
I got 2 pallets I'm gonna move out of here is all I gotta get, and we should, I'm hoping, be able to. I think the math has worked out that we should be able to go straight in with the machine, and then we're gonna get it right over here to the left where we got the drop down at for power. So I just gotta move these 2 out of the way. I'll move it and the forklift.
How old is that?
I think this was from '59 as the year model.
Really?
It's this was the actual McDonough power equipment. So they sold out in I think '62.
They say, hell, they ain't been around in a long time.
Yeah, they sold, I think, these out in '62. It went to another company called, what was the other company? I can't remember, but this one, I remember, if I remember right, it was a '59 pulling back off of. We got the rest of the stuff at the house, but
yeah,
the woman that bought this one, it has some. It's got some damage to it. Somebody tried to fix some stuff to it. All right, let's take a walk over here and see what's on the machine. Well, on the truck. Howdy, howdy.
Morning.
How y'all? All right, the new lay is there. So we have the coolant tank here, along with the chip conveyor, and then this big old block. Actually looks small. Like, now looking at it on this truck, it's T90 looking, so not really that big. So we've had a massive cleanup over the past couple weeks trying to get ready for this machine, but we've got a spot cleaned out big enough for this, so we should be able to come straight in the door is the goal, and into place, and then we can get this machine hooked up and get it going. So we won't get it hooked up and running today, but we'll get it in the shop, get it in place, and have everything ready to go. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, oh, like, damn. I was gonna try to jump on it.
That same thing on that other one. You know what they was doing, that thing that tractor rolled off?
Oh yeah, got my breakfast in. I gotta say, the machine looked a lot smaller on this truck than it did in person when we seen it. It's not a bad thing though, not a bad thing. As long as it has the capacities we need, that's all that matters. So yeah, let's get this baby in.
Sneak tag, yeah. If they do them right, it serves a good purpose, but I've had them blow up on the road too. They must have put the bag on before you put the chain through. And they put a diaper like on it. They call it a diaper like a bottom. And then you cut it and slide them through. And then they tape it, and then they put the bag over top of it and shrink it. They're a nice bag, a lot better than like other places like Makino and stuff, but they do a really good job. Sometimes.
There are the occasions.
They are. I was going to Alabama one time with a big one, and I was over height and everything, and I ended up having a big hole ripped in it, and I had a tarp on the road.
And
that tarp
man,
weighs about 200 pounds. So
trying to throw it up and over, oh, nightmare. absolute nightmare.
And truck stop parking lot in hell.
Oh, joys, ain't it?
I'm getting too old for this shit.
Like, come on, dang it.
Yeah, right?
Oh.
Politics.
Yeah. Yep.
I try to stay out of that stuff, you know.
Yep. Oh, yeah. So are they wanting a fork there and there, I guess? It's almost like a fork pocket there, ain't it? Huh? I think that's where they're wanting you to grab it.
If you fork to go that wide, you can. My fork is going to go that wide. I don't think.
That's pretty damn widespread.
Yeah. They set all this shit up on a European measurement where your damn fork won't go wide enough. What we got in there, we cut 2 pieces on them.
Well, the problem for what?
That would go from
Are they the same height there? From
yes, and this is they can go here and here, but the forks ain't going wide enough. Huh? I tell you, I thought I was 40 inches. Go we might reach that. Nope. That's 48.
you can squeeze a little bit there, but can't
I
lose.
can get a little under there. Let's get up.
So you're 40 inches inside?
I'm 40 inches. See? That's so much littler. My other machine supposed to be the same, but all that stuff's a lot bigger on my other machine. I don't understand that. Send it back.
Too late for that. He won't want to cough up the money for a next size up.
That damn thing's expensive.
They're getting bad. All right, so we got the machine unloaded, sitting there. We've got the tank and stuff sitting there. They're getting ready to bring this thing in. Through the door, it's not going to be a lot of room. I just went back and redid the measuring. We're like 112 inches, bare minimum, on that machine. And biggest thing is they're going to have to come in and then kind of skirt to the right and then back straight through. But it's going to get a little tight right through here, so we'll cross our fingers. Yeah, you got more meat under it this time, it looks like, for some reason.
Yeah, it's teetering though.
Is it?
Yeah, it's teetering right here.
Yeah,
It's teetering a little bit right here in this corner. We didn't bring any stuff to the No.
So Mazak put these pockets, it's kind of hard to see there and there. It's not underneath the levelers, it's just to the right of them. Problem is this forklift, as wide as this goes, is not wide enough. And it leaves a little bit hanging on this side. So he's trying to go under the feet. The problem is the balance is just off.
There you go.
It's coming back in right here. It feels...
It's in that pocket. It ain't...
Yeah, it's not. As long as...
Yep.
I mean, it feels pretty good there. It feels a lot better.
The whole forward sliding with it. Well, that's the thing about it. This will slide with it. Lock this, it'll slide a little bit, it locks in.
Well, we just run a strap around the damn machine around to the fork and just keep that fork pulled over.
You can't do that. I can get
Just Now, I mean, I think I got a 2-inch strap in the truck. Boo-hoo. I love you. I seen a little bit, okay? Come here, give me a kiss.
Let's see. Get a drink and stuff.
All right, I'll see you in a minute.
So, come on. So, I drive by the park.
All right. Here we got this one. Oh, I was just grabbing. I was grabbing one out of the truck myself. All right.
Wow.
What you need?
I'm gonna space this out from the fork.
Ah.
Where it can't slide, right? One about 4 foot.
We got that one.
That's fine. Throw it in there, too. It'll make it gross. Yeah, it will. You want to take these up and put them there, too?
I've got, I can. I was looking for a day. You want me to cut them in half? I got a little saw and I'll rip them apart real quick. If we need a few more.
We may have a good one. We might have a few more.
Oh.
I got you balls.
Yeah, I know. She's definitely that. Huh? You Papa a hug?
Yes, you want to give Papa a hug, Daddy a hug. All right, don't go near me.
Yeah, she's fine. Bye-bye.
Stay there, and then we're going to ride to those house. All right, see you later down here.
After a while, crocodile. Looking good behind you. Looking good. Yep. Oh, still looking good behind you. Plenty of room.
Get my little left and turn it around.
Yep. You're good back here. Come on, we got it. Yep, looking good back here. Looking good.
How far has it got to be this way, Chris?
Really, it's whatever Frank wants. How far you?
I think you're going to have to put it somewhere around in here.
What?
Just ledge or...
Yeah, so we can come this way some more, just if we can, a little bit. Are you gonna leave that tank sitting where it goes out the door or what?
Didn't want to, but I don't see no other way around. You want the tank to go out the door?
It's probably what we're gonna have to do because it's gotta.
And I'm gonna have to move it down this way. He's going to back out a little bit. Get up where you can't get in and out. Yeah, we're gonna back up, move it over here, and clean it up. Where you get, You can't get the tank out the door right there, can you?
We can't.
Oh, you can't?
Can it? Will it come? Yeah. Which side do we have the room on? Well, this side.
Go out that way, so you could, if you backed it up, you could do it.
How far back can you get with? What do we got?
That's not we can come straight back.
I was saying though, if you had enough room to get out. Let me see.
You know how to open the wall.
Well, the tank's gotta come in from the back and it's gotta go out the back. I don't know if I really gotta get it all the way out. They say you're supposed to clean it. So if I do that, I mean, I like to have the machine this way a little bit, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it out this way any. I guess I need to go get that tank and bring it in. I'll go grab the other forklift and bring it in. Cut these two. The forklift, because I imagine it's well. Oh, here we go. I got a good place. Well, that moves easier than I thought it would.
So you go to move it sideways.
Ah, yeah. Then it's gonna be a nightmare.
Huh?
Is it just the motor holding up from coming out the front?
Oh, the
I don't know how this will slide out the back with that lip there, because I assume that lip would hit that.
yeah.
So I don't know whether they're getting 66 in. Well,
That lip's gonna close up right here.
well, that's what I thought. But I guess you got to take. Oh, you got to take that panel off. I get. Is that? Oh, that's how you slide it out the back. Well, why can't you slide it out the front with the motor off?
Yeah, you can, because this right here is a guide
All the way through there,
in
ain't
the
it?
frame. Yeah, this up in the front, where it's got to line it up.
So I think we just damn sit it down close. Hell, we get enough room as long as we got enough to damn open the.
So we
Well-
take that damn motor off. We slide that thing in and out with the motor off.
We're,
This on it. We'll put it where we want it then.
as long as we got the room to get this door open, which we're in the middle of the doorway, so it don't matter anyway.
Well, I like it to go down that way if we can.
Well, I mean, you can.
If that's the case, shit.
Well, if he can get out,
Huh?
if he can get out, which he should, I think he'll maybe be able to.
We'll get it out. We'll get it running started.
Just knock everything out of the way. Knock the wall out while we had it.
How far out the back that tank going?
It sticks on like 15 inches.
Look at
There's about 15 or 16 inches I think that sticks out the back. The pump.
Yeah,
we're
we just
gonna
go back that way.
we're gonna be down here, getting towards the door.
Could we? Do we have enough
We can
room?
back it up.
Okay.
We'll back it up. We'll measure the tank, then we'll measure.
Yeah, I think it, because yeah, you know how the drawings are. Let's see. I go to the. So for the front,
We gotta have 82 inches.
that's gonna be from the front of the
Back
machine.
edge of it. We'll slide you the ruler in.
All right. Oh, we do have a leak, Dad. So that's the front of the machine there.
You at the front?
Yeah, I'm at the front
The
case.
machine's only 65 inches.
And we're what, 84?
82
80.
minimum. Yes, you might as well call it 84. That gives you.
Hey, grab it. Dad grabs the gun, put the fire.
All right, hold it right there. I mean, damn thing don't come back no more. I can go that way with it some.
Hold that one down that way a little bit. How much more? Not foot. Yeah, look. not gonna push that shit around.
Well, he did. He pushed it around the other way. Give it as much room as we can. Yeah, you got.
Oh, you got a couple of them. Right, come on in.
You gonna go a hair right?
That's probably about as far as we need to go, ain't it?
I don't know if he can get out there. Can he get out there? Well, can he get out there or not?
He's gonna come into where he's about 20 inches off.
Well, the only thing I gotta think about. Hold on before we go. Hold on. Let me see, cause I gotta get this conveyor out. Can you get out here or not?
Probably. That guy got completely.
Because that's going to give, because it's 66 inches. They say I gotta pull, cause we gotta pull all the way. The conveyor goes all the way to. You had to look back. It was like I don't have it.
Oh, that's plenty.
That's 5.5.
Well, you still got the other. You just measured what part though? You only measured
From
the
one end to the other end.
I don't
To
think
another one.
I don't think you measured properly. This thing is not. It's. You gotta think. This is going against the. This has got to be. This is all sticking out of the machine. Conveyor from there to there is not the whole length. You got all this shit too. This thing gets folded up. See, it gets folded up to that point. It's at this angle coming out. That's what is going to be sticking out. So we got to get from there about here, probably. So it's going to be, what is it, 80 something, 84?
That thing's got a leak somewhere.
Well, it's dripping out. I think it said where they sprayed it. We think it's.
But right there, we got all the room in the world.
Well, if we leave it here, if we can get out, if we go in anymore,
Yeah.
we're going to be pushing.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can leave it there. I say leave it there because if we can, because it's also going to give me.
Well, push comes
Enough
up,
room.
I'll move the mill, lay down there and the mill up here. Shit don't run uphill, mine's going uphill.
Hold it right there real quick. Let me grab the hammer. How are those looking?
Pretty close.
Come forward with it.
I mean, just a teeny bit.
Towards you. Well, all right, I'm gonna tap. Let me go. I know this one's real close to. Let me tap this one because I know it's real. Now.
Might need to raise them up and lay it down and throw it
I
down
done-
on top of the ball.
I got that one in. Well,
That's good.
how's it? Are y'all touching yet?
I got one here that's going in, and I got this one over here.
Is it going in all right? I mean, do you need to tap it? Oh, I see.
Probably wouldn't hurt to tap that to get it to line up a little more. You see
Which
how
way?
it is? It's off to one side.
Yeah.
And I
Ease
got-
it. Can you ease it down a hair?
Lee, ease it down a hair.
All right, it's going. All right, that one's going. That one's going. Are we going on these?
We're good on this one.
Are you good?
Feels like we're good on this one. Feels like we all have.
All right, ease it down a little more. Yep.
Good, we're going?
We're good.
Hold on, somebody's. Oh, good. Yeah, we're going. It looks like it's going down. Yeah, we're
All right, ease it down. Yep. Looking good. All right, we're touching there. Well, the feet are probably, the feet could be completely off.
Go up, jump forward. All right. Should be all the way down.
I think you're clear there.
Well,
Come on, looking good, still clear.
come on with it, Lee. Good.
Keep on coming, clear.
Good.
That's
Look at
as far as I can go. As far as I go. Come on, you still fine though. You got room. Yep, looking good. Yep, looking good. Turn. Whoa, whoa, right there.
Think I'm going to try that.
Yeah, he should clear it.
Hey, the light on the top is gonna make it move. Push that floor over towards me. Unlike it.
Oh, oh yeah.
Alright.
Perfect. Need to build a small version of these. Ex- yeah, so yeah, I know that's a problem. You
Got
need,
a smaller
you,
version of this, but it's not
you got to have the weight capacity, but half the length.
You need to get a plasma cutter and cut the work down.
Yeah, we'll cut it right off. Ta-da!
You got plenty of room in it.
Hell yeah. Well, it gives us room to get around.
Yeah.
So, gets the door open, and that should give us enough. Where we're at should give us enough to get that whole, yeah. Because this will come out beside the dang machine now. So that'll work out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. It is inside. It is somewhat installed. We still got to get the power put to it. We do have anchors in place, but they're not tightened down because we got to get the machine leveled. We got to get the power to it, got to get air to it. We still got Mazak or Premier coming in to do all the setup and get it up and going. But the machine it looks great. Made it through shipping and got the chip conveyor. It's not all the way in, but I got it pushed up into place somewhat. So we've got a chip conveyor. Looking forward to that instead of having to dig out the bottom of the tray. So we've got that. We have a tail stock on this one. We got the probing and a few other little features. Not a whole lot. We didn't go crazy. This doesn't have live tooling. I don't have time and don't want to learn live tooling. Not right now. I've got mills and stuff. For what we do, don't need it. But super happy this thing's in. We got plenty of room. I was kind of worried about, you know, how much room we were gonna actually eat up, but for the most part, you know, we got plenty of room. So we're gonna get rid of some of this junk. Gotta clean up, move some of that stuff in the back there, back around. We've been doing a bunch of cleanup for this machine to come in. Got some stuff reorganized. Getting a few more things finished up over here in the plasma area. But yeah, machine is in, so super excited. We've got the cable already run down and it's dropped down here. It's actually going to come in. If you want to see what's like the controls of a CNC, this is the control area. So the power is actually coming in from the bottom. You can come in from the top, but it's It's really retarded, honestly, how they got some of this, but you know, I'm not the engineer that designed these machines, but sometimes I question what the heck were they thinking, why they did it the way they did. Hopefully there's a good reason. But yeah, super excited. I forgot to mention, we get a book with this thing. Well, not a book, it's a CD. And then you get a bag of goodies in there, some stuff for the chuck. We got a box full of stuff that some of it I'm not sure. I don't know what that's for. I don't know what this plug's for. Then we got some tool holders in there, screws, filters. Got a bracket that I'm not sure where it goes. But I also forgot to mention that there are a few tool holders that are bolted in here already. So we got a few there. Now I'm gonna bring you guys along for when we actually have Premiere here and going through the setup of the stuff. And as I get to learn this control too, this is still Mazak, but it's much newer than what I'm used to. My old T Plus system is definitely outdated. There are a few things that I'm gonna have to learn on this thing, but I think it's gonna be a relatively simple, I shouldn't say that yet, but I think it is gonna be relatively simple to figure out. And we got a little bit more capacity on this machine, which I'm excited for. We can actually get 3-inch bar through this machine here instead of the 2.5, I think is all we had, or 2 3/4 on the other. So glad about that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. You know, this is going to be a learning process for us with this machine because it is newer, has some new updated stuff. I know there's a lot of questions that I still have that I have not found the answer for. There's not much online about these machines that I can find with the options and stuff. So I'm curious to see how some of this stuff is going to play out. I'm going to let you guys know, teach you what I learn off of it, because like I said before in other videos, I don't like learning by books. I like learning by doing, and that's what we're going to do here. I mean, we got a book, but I'm going to mainly, you know, pick up from hands-on stuff. But anyway, we're going to end this video off here. I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you so much, and until the next one, have a great day.